Hi kids! How are you all? Let's play a quiz game on 2D shapes. Let's start. What is the shape of these tasty chips? Yeah, it's triangle. What is the shape of this basketball? Correct, it's circle. Do you all know the shape of this window? Yes, it's rectangle. Can you tell me the shape of this cushion? Superb! It's a square. What is the shape of this emoji? Yes, it's circle. What is the shape of this egg? Good job! It's an oval. What is the shape of this delicious pizza pie? Good job! It's a triangle. What is the shape of this keyboard? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Name the shape of this slice. Yeah, it's a square. What's the shape of this signboard? Superb, it's a triangle. Name the shape of this mirror. Yes, it's an oval. What is the shape of this clock? Yeah, it's a circle. Do you know the shape of this marble? Yeah, it's a square. Can you name the shape of this blackboard? Correct, it's a rectangle. Name the shape of this balloon. Yes, it's an oval. Well done, kids. You played very well. Hope you enjoyed the game. Thank you for watching. See you again.